Hey folks, how you doing? This is Jabril for the SPX Ninja. Welcome to Monday, June 4th. Oh, it feels weird saying June in 2018, but it looks like we're almost done with half the year. Anyhow, let's go on with the analysis here for the, well, it should have been the pre-market update, but I'm sorry I'm a little bit late today. But I guess better late than never. So what we have going on is a potential break of a triangle upwards, which is what had been going on for a while. But I'm not fully convinced with this break. One, it's not as fast as I would expect upwards. Two, I see a lot of optimism. Three, it's the seasonality is kind of bearish at this time of the year. And lastly, the Dow does not confirm this rip upwards because Dow is still below the early May high. Does that mean it can't change? Yeah, it can certainly change, but at this point, I am not fully convinced of this breakout. So, what my other scenario is becoming slowly my preferred scenario, which is that we are in a zigzag correction of this wave three, of which we'd had the first leg down, and then the second leg up is a triangle, and then we should have another leg down similar to the length of this one downwards this way. So, I mean, I can't project it yet because I have to see how this triangle completes. But what I'm thinking is that we are in a final upwards wave here that should complete soon. I can't really say when, but when it pulls back, it should pull back to the bottom of this triangle, which comes in around the low 2600s. Okay, then we should have one more up move, which probably gets back up to 2700, and then we should have a major sell-off to get all the bulls out of the market before the next up move. Now, what I also have been looking at is some divergence. I'm looking at this McClellan oscillator. I've kind of been looking at it recently. It seems to be working pretty good for predicting some down moves and up moves. So basically, we had bearish divergence on the McClellan, and but it also had an uptrend. The uptrend broke on last Tuesday's drop, and since then we've kind of tested it from underneath. So it will be interesting to see if this holds up. The other thing is the RSI also is diverging. I mean, today I would like to see today turn down in order for the RSI divergence to continue as a bearish divergence. So these are a couple of things that I'm looking at. So basically, my thought now is that we will go in this triangle again, 2600, low 2600, back to 2700, and then a sell off. I can't project how far this is until I see the completion of this triangle, but it could be somewhere in the low 2400s. I know that's a lot, but I think we've had several months of bull market, basically 2 years, over 2 years of a bull market. So this is not that big of a pullback in the grand scheme of things, although it may seem like that from here. And once that is complete, then I can expect the market to move back up. Now, is it possible that this can turn bullish right now? Yes, it is. And I will have to. So I want to see some confirmation from the Dow, and I would, that would probably turn me bullish again. Maybe it will, get rid of all these divergences at that point as well. So we will look at that option as a secondary option now. At this point, this is my preferred count. All right, that's what I have for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your trading day and hope you have a lot of success.